The TrenchPod Trench Drain filter is a modular stormwater treatment system designed for trench drains in urban, commercial, and industrial environments. Installation is straightforward. A lightweight stainless steel filter cage drops directly into the existing trench channel with no excavation or hydraulic modifications required. During operation, stormwater is conveyed through the filter liner, capturing trash and gross pollutants, while a high-flow bypass maintains trench drain capacity during peak rainfall events. Constructed from stainless steel and high-strength plastics, it is hydraulically engineered and tested. The trench pod offers durability, flexibility, and long-term performance for engineers, councils, and asset owners managing stormwater at the source. Maintenance is designed to be safe and efficient. Inspection is typically required every 6 to 12 months. Filter elements can be removed by hand or serviced using vacuum extraction, and liners or sorbent inserts are easily replaced on site. TrenchPod Trench Drain Filter is another trash capture innovation from EnviroPod. Learn more at enviropod.com.